Here is how to change your Gmail profile picture. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Gmail and come to the email ID whose profile picture you'd want to change. So you can change the account by clicking on your profile picture on the top right. Once you've come to the correct account, then again click on your profile picture and click on Manage your Google account. Over here, click on Personal Info and then click on Profile Picture. And here you can see the options. So firstly, if you want to remove your profile picture, click on the three dots which are on the top right and click on Remove Profile Picture. One thing to note that this will reflect across all of your Google accounts and not only Gmail, since we are changing the profile picture of our Google account. But now if you want to change it to another image, then you have options below. First, they have some illustrations. If you click on that, then these are some options that they have. You can search for them as well. Then to upload from your device, click on this option. Here, it will open File Explorer and you can select an image to upload. And the other two options are to take a picture or upload from Google Photos. So this is how it works, and it may take a couple of days till the changes reflect for everyone. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.